If you are on the free version of TradingView, you already know the pain. 2 indicators only. That is the limit. You want RSI, MACD, CCI, stochastic, and a volume indicator all on one chart, and TradingView tells you to pay up. So in this video, I am going to show you 3 indicators that get around that completely. Each one packs 10 or more indicators inside it, so you can run a full setup on a free account without paying for anything. So let's get straight to the point. So, I'm on TradingView. Let's start with the first one. Go to Indicators and search for Indicators Overlay. This is the Editor's Picks indicator written by Lonesome the Blue. Add it to the chart. The moment you add it, 5 indicators show up at once. RSI, CCI, Money Flow Index, Chaikin Money Flow, and Stochastic RSI, all from this one tool. Now they get placed on top of the price by default, and that is not great. So let's move them down. Click on More here, then move to, then New Pane below. Now they sit cleanly under the chart like normal oscillators should. Now open the settings. You can do that from here. This is where it gets useful. You get a list of 10 indicators in total: RSI, CCI, OBV, Stochastic, Money Flow Index, ATR, Stochastic RSI, and you can even switch on ADX and DMI. Some are on by default, the rest you turn on yourself. You just keep the ones your strategy actually uses and ignore the rest. And every single one has its own settings, so you can adjust the lengths and inputs however you want. One more thing, turn on the different colors option here. It makes each line easier to track once you have a few of them running together. But this is important. Everything these indicators show is tied to the most recent price action. So this stochastic RSI or this money flow index, they are not describing some older candle back here. They are reading the current state of the market right now. Keep that in mind so you do not misread them. Now the second one, go to Indicators and search for Indicators all in one. This is also by Lonesome the Blue. Add it. By default, it gives you RSI, but that is just the start. Open the settings. You can do that from here and look at the Indicators to Show option. You get 11 indicators to switch between: RSI, MACD, CCI, Momentum, Stochastic, Stochastic RSI, Directional Movement Index, Chaikin Money Flow, OBV, ATR, and Volume Weighted MACD. So the way this one works is a little different. Instead of stacking many at once, you switch between them, and whichever one you pick gets displayed exactly like the original version, with full settings to adjust. So think of this as 11 indicators living inside one slot, and you flip to whichever one you need. Now the third one, and this is the most interesting of the 3, go to Indicators and search for Multiple Strategies. This one is by Rettenmeyer Loop Tone. Add it. When it loads, you get a whole collection below the chart, and you will notice it comes in 2 parts. One section gives you an oscillator, and the other gives you histograms. Open the settings, and you can pick what you want and drop what you do not, same as the others. But here is why this one stands out. The first 2 were mostly the classic traditional indicators. This one brings in the newer stuff too. You get Squeeze Momentum, ADX, RSI, Stochastic, Awesome Oscillator, MACD, and Concord, which is a popular tool for tracking smart money. Then CCI, Money Flow Index, and even Cipher Signals, which has picked up a lot of attention in recent years. And on top of all that, it can also print divergences for the oscillators you add. So this one is the most complete if you like working with modern indicators. Now let me show you how this actually solves the problem in practice, because that is the whole point.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
Say your strategy needs 5 indicators. MACD, CCI, stochastic, OBV, and RSI. On a free account, no chance normally, but watch how easy this becomes. First, take Indicators Overlay for 3 of them, move it below the chart, go to Move To, then New Pane below. Open the settings. Keep RSI, keep CCI. Remove Money Flow Index, Chaikin, Money Flow, and Stochastic RSI. Add OBV instead. Now set RSI to a length of 21, set CCI to a length of 100, and turn on the different colors option. So now you have RSI, CCI, and OBV all running from one indicator slot. Then for the last 2, MACD and Stochastic, add indicators all in one and just switch between MACD and Stochastic inside its settings whenever you need them. And there it is. 5 indicators, 1 free chart. So now picture yourself reading this chart. RSI is below 50, so the market is leaning bearish. CCI is below minus 100, which agrees the trend is down. OBV shows no divergence with price, so there is no quiet buying volume building up, and sellers are still in control. MACD just gave a bearish crossover, and you can also flip over to Stochastic to check its condition too. So now you are reading 5 indicators together, lined up, all on a free account. But please pay attention to this because it matters more than any of these tools. No matter how many indicators you put on your screen, there is no setup that gives guaranteed signals. You will never get a 100% win rate, and losing trades are always part of the game. So you have to manage your risk properly, or you will lose the account sooner or later. Risk only a small part of your account on each trade, keep your stop loss logical, and stay disciplined. And remember, more indicators do not mean more profit. Most of the time, it just means more confusion. What actually keeps you profitable is clarity and discipline, not how crowded your chart is. That is it for this one. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will answer as soon as possible. And if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you do not miss the next video. See you in the next one, and good luck with your trading.